Hi and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to make a super simple dip to make. It's a Swiss chard, artichoke, and cashew dip. So let's start by washing some Swiss chard. So let's start by washing the leaves of this beautiful Swiss chard, and we're going to be using the entire piece of this vegetable. We're going to use the stem and the leaves. So let's wash this and then let it dry. Next, we're going to take a half a cup of these raw cashews, and there's only half a cup. So we're going to put that into a little saucepan and add some water and bring it to a boil. Next, we're going to take 3 cloves of garlic and slice them really thin. Next up, we're going to take this can of white kidney beans, which are also known as cannellini beans, and we're going to put it into a sieve and rinse them really well. So the cashews have finished cooking, only took 5 minutes, and now we'll take it off the heat and we're going to let them cool down. Next, we're going to drain all the liquid from this jar of 6-ounce fluid of artichoke hearts. Next, let's put the cooked cashews. Don't dispose of the water. We might need that later to thin out the paste. Let's start with a couple of tablespoons worth and turn it back on. Let's see what we have. Still a bit too chunky. We want more like a paste, so I'm going to add a few more. Look at that, nice and creamy. That's exactly what you want. Next, we're going to pan fry the Swiss chard. We're going to start with the stems and add a good drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Once these have fried up a bit, then we'll throw in the leaves. Okay, they have been sauteing for about 3 to 4 minutes, and now I'm going to put on the green portion and let them sweat out. And look down to nothing and give that like 2 to 5 minutes to sweat down. So the Swiss chard is almost done, and now I want to put in the slices of garlic and give them a slight saute as well. Next, I am going to place the sauteed Swiss chard into the blender on top of the cashews. Next, I put in the artichoke hearts, and we're going to give that a little blend. Take a peek. Oh, perfecto. So next, we're going to squeeze in a cup's worth of cannellini beans, also known as white kidney beans, and give that a nice whirl. Nice and thick. Almost there. And the last step, we're going to take half a lemon and juice that into our mixture, and then add some pinch of salt, black pepper, and a good 3 fingers or so of kosher salt. You can use sea salt as well, and give that a nice stir. One last step, I almost forgot this Nutritional yeast, and I found this product at my local health food store, and it's like flakes like this, and it gives it a somewhat cheesy flavor. So we're going to add number 1, and then number 2. Mix that in thoroughly. And this is going to add a fantastic flavor. Then we're going to pop it into the oven under broil for a few minutes. So this beautiful, delicious dip that smells excellent already has been under the broiler for about 8 minutes. And in your oven, that time might vary. Okay, to finish off, so I got in a nice little serving dish. You're going to take some of these cashews and microplane some of the cashew on top of that. And then we are ready to pig out on this beautiful, beautiful Swiss chard, artichoke, and cashew dip. And there you have it. Beautiful, fresh Swiss chard, artichoke, and cashew dip. And I'm serving that with these beautiful corn chips from Cashew, who is not my sponsor, by the way. But I love this product. It's a premium product. It's organic, salted, gluten-free, and it's made in beautiful Burnaby. So be better than that. So it's a premium chip and it's a premium dip. So when friends or family, in-laws, outlaws, whoever's coming over, you want to serve them some of this, and it's going to go quick. So let's just take a little dip of this. Oh my God. Those flavors just coming together. You got to make this. This is one dip that should be on your bucket list, and try it soon and you'll thank me. So please leave a comment about this video in the my video below, and enjoy. Have a great weekend, and thank you for dropping by. As always, thumbs up would be appreciated. And till the next one, thank you everybody for dropping by. Until the next one, bye now. And remember, good food, good mood. Enjoy, my friends.